Hello again, students. So here we are doing a question on real numbers chapter. We're doing word problems now. The question is an interesting one. Army contingent of 612 members is to march behind an army band of 48 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the number of columns in which they can march? So here again, how do you process this question is whenever you have a question, because when you're writing the board exam, you will not be able to figure out where the question is. It's not going to be obvious. So you'll have to think, you have to analyze. And how do you analyze here is, if you look at the question, questions go something like this. In what and all ways can we arrange them? Or in what and all ways can we find out the common ones? So in such scenarios, we have to understand it's a question of real numbers. And in real numbers also, we have two scenarios. That would be scenario of HCF or LCM. But in this case, it's pretty straightforward because the number of people in both the contingents of band and army contingents, the parade contingents, are fixed. So when it's fixed quantity, it's going to be more or less always going to be a question of HCF. And HCF is HCF of the two numbers you can find out. That would be the answer for the question. Okay. So in this case, same thing happens. We are having to find out the HCF of 6, 1, 12. And 48. So this one's, we'll start finding the factors of it first. 6, 1 equals factors, we'll find 2, because it's an even number. So we'll start with 2, or just find factorization. 2 3s are and 0, 6. 2 again, 1, 5, 3. It's odd number, so 3 is just the number 153. No? So 1 plus 5 plus 3. 8 and 9. So, yeah. So 3 odd times 3, 50. 1 times again 3 tables, 3 odd times 3 ones are and 7 are and 17 ones are. That's the factors of 600. 48 factors you can figure out very simple. It's not that difficult. Do 24 times, do 12 times, do 6 times, do 3 times, 3, 1 times. Now the common factors, you can circle it off. 2 and 2 is one common factor. Another 2 and another 2. And a 3 and a 3. So these are your common factors. So 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 12. So 12 columns. So what is the maximum number of columns? So 12 columns we can make such that you will be having all of these numbers covered. So 12 columns, it means that your band of 48 should be made in 12 columns. Okay, means how many? So you have to think of it. 48 people in 12 columns has to be set off. And then behind them will be your army people of 612 members. Also in the columns of 12 itself. So whole 612 will be made into columns of 12 and they'll be lined up so that all of them are following the given requirement of the question. Okay, that will stop here. Thank you so much.